Alright, just got our cargo bike attachment here. It took me about 2 minutes to put it together. It's very simple to put it together. I like that they have these security systems here. There's security little braces. If you guys can see, I removed them and they hang here so you won't lose them. If you're bike riding and it comes off, look at this. You can streamline the whole thing too. So, and then you have these to attach anything and tie it down, so you could set something up in here and bike ride on it. So one of the things I like about it, you have an option here, because bike ride are very bumpy. And look at that, it has a little flexible neck here. This attaches to the bike right here in front of it, but optional, you can just tie it down too, as a backup. All right, and it has this extra nylon, strong, durable attachment here too. This is an option. People do tie it up because they want to keep it like a permanent thing, and then you could take it off too just by removing it in here and twisting this off. The bike itself, the attachment, it's foldable. You can take it in your car, transport it, very simple. It has these brace attachments here in the bottom too, so you could, if you guys can see, the wheels could come off easy as they come on. This is like a rubber, very strong, durable. No people should be on top of it. Should be only for cargo, transporting heavy duty stuff into your bike. So as you can see, we attached it to our bike. We have cargo here,